Okay, here's a natural remedy hack. If you are coughing at nighttime, or you feel like a cough is gonna come up in a couple of days just because you have an itch in your throat, I want you to do this. I want you to get organic refined coconut oil. You can use this at nighttime. Grab a little bit, like this, and you're gonna put it onto your chest, just like that, before you go to bed. I did not cough once all night. All night, I didn't cough. I didn't cough at all. Coconut oil is an antibacterial, and it's all natural. Try it.